going to be helping you guys with course 1511 assignment 1. So if you would wish to join our classes, they start at 7 p.m. You can WhatsApp me at 07233 So also subscribe to this YouTube channel if it's helping you. If you are getting more help, just subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it can also help us to have more subscribers. Thank you, guys. Let's just begin with our duty. So the first thing that we're going to do, already done assignment 1 course 1511. I'm going to open the assignment. So in this assignment is read as follows. It's question 1A. Suppose we want to input and validate the age of a student that qualify for an internship, as well as the final mark obtained for the examination in a while loop. To qualify, the student should be younger than 30 with a final mark of more than 65. Read in values until a suitable candidate is found. Display appropriate messages whether successful or not. The variable names are age and final mark respectively. Complete the while loop below. You only have to write down the completed while loop. So I'm just gonna copy this because I'm going to first put it in my code block. Let me open my code block. It's opening. So we only have to write the while loop. So I'm just gonna open an existing file, which I can just say youtube.cpp. I'm gonna, okay, it's fine. In my youtube.cpp, I have this code, which I'm gonna erase few part. Erase. I'm gonna erase up to here. Then I'm gonna paste what I have there. So I have C in age and C out A, enter age. So here in my while loop, I'm going to have if age is greater than, let's say age is greater than, if age is less than 30, and if final mark is less than 65, I'm going to use less than 65. So what must happen? We want, let me just take out this comment. We want to see in the age again. It must keep seeing age, and it must also keep seeing, we can say age. You can even use the same here, age, and then you just say final mark, showing us the final mark. So this is what is needed for the while loop. So if we run our code, you will see that here in our code, when we rebuild it, it says there is a problem there. You can just take out this space because just remember, I just copied it straight from there. These spaces, but the most important thing now is not to build the code and run. You just have to complete it. Let's still telling me that C in age. Okay, it was not declared int age. And then finally mark, I'm gonna just use float. Finally, final mark must be the same. Let me check. I'm just gonna use float. Final mark is fine. Okay, let's see if we have errors. We don't have errors. So this code, what must happen is that if I enter an age of 29 and then the final year mark I enter 59.8 is fine. You will see it still want me to enter, but the moment when I enter 30 and 65, above 30 and 65, the program stop. So which means our program is working properly. So what we do here, I will just take out this comment. It's just a comment. Then I'm gonna take this code here, which I just completed the while loop, which is needed, copy it, and I will go to my assignment, which is my Word document. This is question number A1A. just completed. Now you can highlight. I prefer you can highlight the two, bold them, then maybe highlight the questions. If you want to highlight them, it's up to you how you want to get them to be. Underline them. I just underlined it. Up to you. We are done with that one. We go to second one. The second question says, state where the output, state what output, if any, results from each, state what output, if any, results from each of the following statement by first working it out on paper and then including it is a program. It is a program. Including include then including it is a program. It's not a good English. They made a mistake. Including it in a program. In a program. Submit a complete table as below. So this is the table that we need to do. They gave you an example here. Example for int I, that. Then if you output this, it's going to give you um this number. So when we check here, you'll see that I'm going to be writing here, if for int I equals 1 and I is less than 1, I plus plus, it's going to give us star first. It's going to say is I less than is true. Then it's going to give us only one star. Just write that star like that. Then we go to another one. For int I equals to 2, I is greater than 2, plus plus. As long as I is greater than 2, this one is going to be infinity loop. Infinity. For int I plus 1 and I is less than 1, I plus plus, it's going to be is 1 less than 1 is 2, zeros. Like also this one is going to be infinity loop. I will just write infinity. So let's proceed. For int I equals to 12 and I is less than, okay, when I greater than 12 is fine. It's going to be 12, 11, 10, and 9. Then it's going to print only 4 stars in the same row. Star, star. Remember, there is those things there. Stars and stars. Force them. For int I equals to 0 and I is less than 5, I plus plus. Going to print how many? 6 stars. 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So for int I equals to 1 and I is less than 5, see outside, this one is going to start with print star 1. Then it's going to say is 1 less than 5 is true. Then it increment. It's going to be 1 plus 1 is 2. Then increment again, it goes as 3. Is 3 less than 5 is true. Then it increment is going to be 4. It increment again, it's going to be 3. Increment is going to be 4. Increment again, it's going to 5. 5 less than 5 is true. Then increment, then it's going to be even 3. Then we are done with question 1B. Then we can just take a screenshot. We go and paste our question there. Because question number 1B, question 1B. Yeah, let's also do spacing. Gonna come back later, print, and then I'm gonna go back to my question. I just write here the other one there. We don't waste time, right? So if you want to attend the class, you can attend the class, the complete videos and all the lessons, how to work. Normally what I do, I am based on teaching of understanding the work. So if you really want to understand this work and know how it works, just come to the class at 7:30. Just WhatsApp me, then you're gonna be in class. So thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe. More videos are going to be sent.